Hi everyone, welcome to my first ever spring clean with me. I love watching these types of videos, so that motivated me to do my own. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hola, de video en YouTube, así que decidí hacer el mío. Espero que les guste. So I started off by decluttering all my pots and pans, bowls, everything, because I found myself reaching for the same pots and pans that I always use, and I know the less you have, the less cluttered it'll look. So that's what I started doing. Primero empecé sacando todos los trastes que no ocupaba, los trastes y ollas que no ocupaba, porque entre menos tenga, mejor se ve. And my husband actually helped me with this because he was like, if I don't start this, I know you're not gonna do it. So I'm glad he took the initiative because he is 100% correct. Y mi esposo me está ayudando porque él sabe que si él no empieza, yo a veces no hago las cosas. Entonces él empezó y yo terminé todo. Aquí estoy sacando todo lo que no ocupo y dejé básicamente lo que en realidad ocupo todos los días. I'm just keeping everything that I use or gravitate towards every day. Even if that just means leaving 1 or 2 pots and pans, I wanted to do that. I also want to mention that I did buy a new set of pots and pans. But at this point I hadn't purchased them, that's why I don't show them in this video, but I did add that to my collection as well. That's why I knew I could only keep a couple and still be good, because I was ordering a new set. También ordené un set nuevo de ollas, pero en este video no lo enseño porque todavía no lo había comprado, pero por eso dejé solamente como 2 o 3 ollas, porque sabía que iba a comprar un set nuevo. My cleaning solution is always water and sometimes I use Clorox, but mainly for the handles to disinfect everything. And for the cabinets, I do use an old sponge or a non-scratch sponge, and then just a little cloth to wipe everything down. Casi siempre para mi limpieza solamente uso jabón con agua y un estropajo viejito para no rayar mis gabinetes, y a veces uso cloro en las maniguetas porque es lo que más tocamos. Y como tengo una niña de 1 año y 9 meses, claro que sus manitas están por donde quiera. I also have a toddler, so I have to clean these because her little handprints are all over the place. Greasy handprints, I guess I should say. And speaking of that, this is over a period of a few days because I have to work around her schedule, her nap times and everything, so that's why you'll see me wearing different clothes. Y en estos videos estoy usando diferente ropa y todo porque lo estoy haciendo en un periodo de varios días, ya que tengo que trabajar alrededor de su schedule de mi hija. You see how much better that looks? Just so clean, not cluttered at all, and it only kept what I really needed. Y esto se ve mucho mejor porque solamente tengo lo que en realidad ocupo y no se ve nada de desastre. And here I'm showing you my little girl put her baby in the cabinet. It hadn't even been 10 minutes since I organized and her baby was already in there. #momlife. Aquí les estoy enseñando que mi niña puso su bebé en el gabinete. Ni pasó 10 minutos y ya lo había puesto ahí. La vida de una mamá. I am not a plant person at all, but I have this. And I had it in this Bath & Body Works candle vase, so it was time to upgrade it. Poor little plant, it was suffocated. Aquí estoy cambiando mi planta porque lo tenía en un frasquito de una vela de Bath & Body Works. Mi pobre planta se estaba asfixiando, pero yo no soy nada buena para las plantas, así que ojalá que lo haya hecho bien. Aquí está nuestra cocina otra vez. Está un desastre. Acabamos de comer y compramos mercancía, todo por donde quiera. Empiezo tirando toda la basura y levantando todos los trastes. Y antes de ponerme a lavar trastes, me gusta limpiar la estufa y dejarla remojada. Es especialmente para las estufas porque eso se tiene que secar. I always start by putting this cooktop cleaner on the stove and leaving it there because it has to harden. And before I even start the dishes or anything, I like to do that. And these are all the dishes. We had gone grocery shopping, so we took out everything in the fridge that had gone bad. That's why we had a lot of dishes, leftovers, everything we took out. Y son muchos trastes porque sacamos todo lo que ya no servía del refrigerador, por eso teníamos muchos topper. And I actually don't use my dishwasher. It was a new dishwasher when we moved into our house, but I don't know if we don't know how to use it or what, but every time we've used it, it takes literally all day to clean the dishes, and then in the end they're leaving clean. So we just don't even bother, which we've never washed dishes with the dishwasher. We always hand wash them. This utensil drawer, it was a hot mess. This utensil tray, because the other one we had like holes like the spoons, forks, everything would always slide out. Very pointless. I also organized my baby's dishes. I bought these from Dollar Tree. Since we're in quarantine, I can't really go out and buy anything, so I just had to have. And this is just my baby's drawer, so everything in there is stuff that we do for activities or anything like that. Now I'm finally cleaning the stove, and this is almost nighttime. It's been sitting here for a while, so that's why it's taking me a little bit more manpower to scrub this off. And I feel like this is so satisfying. I don't know if I'm the only one, if anybody else thinks that this is to do, scrape off the paste. Ya casi es en la noche y finalmente estoy limpiando la estufa, y porque pero a mí me encanta limpiar raspando la pasta. Y la diferencia cuando está mi estufa así ni quiero cocinar por vida. Now I'm just organizing these cupcake liners and little cupcake liner picks. I love doing cute little lunches for her, so I've been purchasing these when they go on sale after different holidays, and they were just all piled up in one cabinet. So I purchased this from Dollar Tree, and it's like a shoebox container. So I just put everything in Ziploc bags and organized it that way. And also her little sandwich cutters. Me encanta hacerle comida bonita a mi bebé, entonces he estado comprando después de que se va en oferta después cada día festivo, así que compré el contenedor y Dollar Tree para poner. And now counters, like I said, I do just soap and water, a little bit, and I do the counters, but I just it's basically the same thing. On the sides, I don't really use Clorox, but on the island, I do because it's what I use the most to prep my food and everything. Ahora voy a limpiar el baño. Now I'm just gonna clean the bathroom. And it looks like I'm spraying a lot of Clorox, but I actually put the top on wrong, so it wasn't coming out. That's why I just kept spraying, because it would like come out a little bit at a time. I was like, what is wrong with this? And I later realized that's what was going on. Y no estoy echando mucho cloro, pero se ve como que en realidad estoy echando mucho. Es que no tenía la tapa bien y por eso no le quería salir. I lost the footage of me cleaning the sink and the cabinet, so that's why you're not seeing this in the video. Now I'm just cleaning the trim. It does take a while to get dirty, dusty, so that's why I don't have to do it that often, but it looks so nice when I do. Now I'm just cleaning the living room. I'm gonna sweep, mop, and vacuum. Estoy trapeando con mi Steam Mop. Este es un trapeador que usa puro vapor para trapear. Me encanta porque deja el piso bien limpio y desinfecta todo. I'm just using my Steam Mop. I really love this because it's super easy to use and you can really tell the difference once you mop because it takes everything off. The little cloth comes out black. After I'm done with everything I did, and I like to take this outside and really rinse it off, scrub it with soap and water like always, and really just get all the dried up food off. This is what the house looks like once it's done. It looks so good. I just love seeing it so clean, and I wish it would stay like this all the time, but unfortunately it does not with having a toddler. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like if you did, and I would love to hear from you to let me know what you thought. Así quedó la casa después de que terminé. Me encanta cómo se ve cuando está limpia y quisiera que se quedara así todo el tiempo. Pero con mi bebé, claro que no se puede. Espero que les haya gustado este video. Me encantaría que le dieran un like o comenten qué les pareció. Los veo en mi próximo video. Bye. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Gracias por mirar mi video.